you for loving me when I'm at my best and loving me more when I'm at my worst. Back when we were still at the courting stage, you used to say cheesy things to me, and at that moment, I was thinking, wala to, puro pakilig lang sinasabi nito. But you proved me wrong. 6 years later, you're still here, proving me that you were the one that God have destined for me to meet.
Always kang susuportahan. Sa careers, bucket list, I always got your back. Always kang iintindihin sa mga humor mo na ako lang nakakagets, sa mga topak mo, pagsusungit mo, at lalo na sa mga panahon na hindi mo na maintindihan. Always pagsisilbihan, mapatid man yan or sundo sa pagluto ng mga favorite mong pagkain, pagsisilbihan kita hanggang sa uling pakinga ko. At syempre, always mamahalin. Love, salamat sa pagtupad ng mga pangarap ko na maging akin ka habang buhay. You are everything that I ever wanted. Mahal na mahal kita at mas mamahalin pa kita ngayon, bukas at pagpakailanman. Thank you for making my dreams come true. You are my dream and I love you forever.
Di man araw-araw na nakangiti, ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na
May ganun talagang slow-mo moment. Doon parang alam mo na, uy, mukhang siya na. Mukhang, kahit hindi pa kayo matagal, kahit kakilala mo na siya, may slow mo eh. Pagtatanungin mo, oh, kailan ako nag-decide? Oh, siguro nag-decide ako last year. Pero alam ko na siya. I still remember when we just started dating. Lagi mo sinasabi sa akin na sana ikaw at ako na. Sana tayo na hanggang sa huli.
sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman.
You may not know this, but your love has rescued me more times than I can count. You are my safe space in human form, and just know that I could be yours too. Right at this moment, my heart is filled with gratitude, knowing that I'll be living the rest of my life with you. Someone who always ties my laces, someone who showers me with compliments, someone who never fails to hatid sundo me, someone who willingly organizes my luggage after a day of shopping whenever we travel, someone who spoils me with things that I want, and most importantly, someone who will stand by me through the highs and the lows.
Palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto,
I vow to stand beside you in laughter and in tears, in peace and in chaos, and to always choose you no matter where life leads us. You have my heart, now and forever, until the end of my days. I love you.
Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo.